Second TU TESOL International Conference, Kathmandu, Nepal, 29-30 May 2026.
Okay, respected all, good morning. And today is the second day of our conference. And as we had the day before, today as well we have keynote speeches, we have plenaries, we have panel discussion, and we have concurrent sessions. So today's session will begin with keynote speech, and this keynote speech will be delivered by V. Girija, Professor, Chennai, India. Professor Girija will present her keynote speech in front of you. Before that, I would like to request Mr. Maniram Sharma to share her background.
Thank you very much. Dr. B. Girija is a professor at the School of Education, Belgian Institute of Science and Technology, and Advanced Studies in Pallavaram, Chennai, India. She holds PhD in Education and Master degree in different subjects, Management, Sociology, Education, and English. Along with her regular teaching at the university, she is working as a research supervisor and has supervised more than half dozen of PhD theses. She has published research articles in the Scopus, Index journals, and UGC Care and peer-reviewed journals. She has enriched profile publishing different books and contributing to the educational sector of government. She has organized international conferences, faculty development programs, seminars, and has handled 3 postdoctoral projects as a UGC reviewer. In addition, she is an editor, review member in Journal of Emerging Technologies and Innovation.
Happy morning to everyone present here. Good morning. And the most honorable Vice Chancellor of the most renowned old university, Tribhuvan University, and the respected registrar of this university, all the management authorities of the university, and the deans, directors, and HODs of Tribhuvan University, and all the faculty members, and all the organizing committee members, the chair of the 2-day TU TESOL International Conference, Spirituality, Resilience, Wisdom, and Educational Heritage. To share my thoughts on the topic, which is not only educational but transformational, integrating 21st century competencies in curriculum and pedagogy. And at the heart of every meaningful conference, there lies just not the sharing of thoughts and ideas, but the creation of dynamic intellectual space, a space where the dialogues are exchanged. Dialogues build relationships, understanding, and then it fosters empathy and lays foundation for transformational change. I want you to raise your hands if we have started already using digital tools in teaching. So, as we all know, the traditional curricula were designed for industrial era. It was standardized, it was teacher-oriented, it was examination-oriented, and information-focused. We have to give them, we have to engage them experientially, and they need flexible learning pathways. These are the essential skills that we have to develop in the curricula, including the curricula. So on developing curriculum, we need to answer 3 important questions. Automation, rapid technological change, and global uncertainty. Knowledge alone is no longer enough.
Exam result oriented, and I frequently teach that Krishnamurti's opinion also, that another Osho's opinion also. Even Osho says no exam is necessary. An inferiority complex will born if we fail our students. So we are in trap, in ironical situation. What should we do? Are we passing our students through exam or giving them knowledge? Discussing about any text, then what will be the value? And I think, what is my opinion is that even mobile use also should be done in such conference because we are given notebook. We have to write something.
Yeah, you mentioned assessing ethical problem solving. And so I'd like to hear just a little more of that. Could you give me an example of what an assessment of ethical problem solving would be?
We do give proper weightage for knowledge, understanding, analysis and application. So in the application part, I think we can include such kind of questions, problem solving questions. We can give some scenarios.
And what is covered within the term? Say this term covers science, these subjects, this area of English. So it has to be implemented on a daily routine basis and not once in a while like this approach.
I want to thank for the opportunity given by your HOD and Dr. Shivram Pandey, whom we met in Malaysia. Like this one of the conference in Malaysia which was organized by Priya ma'am. So I would encourage all the participants here, the scholars, the paper presenters and other faculty members to always engage yourself in such kind of conference to have good connections for your future growth. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, please stand there. Please give a round of applause.
I'm really extremely happy to be here in Nepal and spending 2 days here in the 2 days TU TESOL International Conference at Mahendra Ratna campus of Tribhuvan University. Myself, Dr. Priya Krishnan and Dr. S. Kulkarni and the other foreign delegates from China, two of the keynote speakers. Really, we are very happy on seeing the hospitality of all the organizing committee, all the faculty members, all the guests, and various dignitaries and speakers, and everyone from the other campuses also. Okay, so we are very, very happy on being here and in participating in this 2-day conference. And from the very beginning, I could hear from this campus organizers that you lack infrastructure, quality of the professors that you are dealing with, and you have a very big legacy. I could see people, the professors who are handling this education department for more than 51 years. From Dr. Awasthi sir and sir. So I'm very happy, and I could able to, during the interaction I also understood that they had their education from Central University of Hyderabad, and I'm really proud and happy to see you all here, and you are really doing so well. And this is your second international conference. Really, you have really done very well. And the participants, I should say, all the other participants, they were very participative and they were very accommodative. And during the sessions, I could see you are doing real research. So you are making your students to do real research, and I really appreciate this. And regarding your future aspirations on continuing the conferences for future, really I would like to even join for the next conference, third conference, maybe collaboratively. I would also like to co-organize with the third conference, and I should really thank Dr. Shivram Pandey sir for having introduced myself to the Nepal and to the Tribhuvan University, and I'm really happy to see so many scholars, and I'm really happy, and thank you for the opportunity. And I really appreciate, I would also like to appreciate Dr. Lokpal Rajni. From the day one when I was called, he was giving all the leads, he gives me, he sent me the invitation and everything. And I would like to talk about the hospitality that was extended by faculty members. They are, everybody is inviting us. Dr. Praveen Mahajan, Prakash sir, Dr. Pandey, Shivram Pandey sir, and Suri sir, and Dr. Lokpal Rajni, and Ma'am Ganga Lakshmi. So you accommodated very well here for all these 2 days, and tomorrow also we are going to stay. And really we enjoyed the stay in Nepal, and we have learned a lot from you. So really, you are doing a lot to your department, to your students. All of you are thinking about how to improve your students' learning capacity and all that. And sir has made, sir has took us to 2 centuries. He has made such kind of research. So real research is being done in this university, and I'm really happy for giving me this opportunity, and I look forward for the further collaboration. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Dr. B. Girija, for your kind words and words for collaboration in the days to come. As I have already announced, so we are very near to the end of this closing ceremony, as well as the formal closure of a 2-day TUT Seoul International Conference. So our head of the department and the chair of this very closing ceremony, as well as the head of the entire conference, I would like to request Associate Professor Dr. Lokraj Rengbi to have short closing remarks, as well as to formally conclude a 2-day TUT Seoul International Conference. So, Dr. Lokraj Rengbi sir. So, with this, I would also like to be off, and I extend my sincere apology for the inconvenience, if any, during my presentation. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Krishna sir. Respected you all, we are at the end of our international conference, this closing ceremony. Special thank, however, Dr. Karki has already thanked you all. A special thank goes to my team, my entire team, the Secretariat of We10 teachers, other members of my department. Without your support, without your endeavor, activities, this conference could not have been successful or possible. And I would like to thank campus administration, the international speakers, 5 international speakers, and you all participants, presenters from different parts of Nepal. We had 5 keynotes, 4 keynotes, 5 plenaries, 2 panel discussion, 1 pizza talk, 1 workshop, and around 30 concurrent sessions. And we had very insightful discussion, interaction. We are the teachers, and our primary duty is to have the interaction with the mind of the learners. Now, we have interaction among us, among the professionals, among the practitioners, novice, experienced, all. So, I hope this international conference has been successful to provide you with insights, knowledge, skills, all those things. You are academically benefited. And at the end, again, I would like to thank you all. And I would like to remind Professor B. Girija. She talked about collaboration. Professor Dr. Kamal Kumar Paudel, he also talked about collaboration. We are ready for collaboration. This is also an example of collaboration. So we can go together. We can go hand to hand. Again, I respect Professor Girija's voice. In the days to come, in real sense, we will be in collaboration for this. Right now, I have got the words from our campus chief too. So let's show our willingness for the sake of collaboration, in real collaboration in the days to come. Thank you very much. Again, thank you all. This program is over. And I would like to apologize if there was any discomfort, if there was any problem. Thank you all.
Maybe we can have a group photo, sir.
Happy conference.